G'day team, Tony here with Wildtrak Leisure, and there is nothing better than that authentic camping experience when you're cooking over the raging campfire. So today we're going to check out some of the more popular items in the Wildtrak Cast range. Now starting with the camp ovens, they come in a range of sizes, with the big 9.5 for the roast, big enough to fit all your veggies and the roast inside, the 9 quart for the family cooked meals, and a 4.5 and a 2, and these are great for when you're camping solo or with your partner. Now my personal favourite is this bad boy here. This is the podgy pot, great for stews, and these legs keep it up off the coals for that perfect long cook. And the last two at the front are the Wildtrak Jaffle irons, perfect for those toasties in the morning, or you can even make your little apple pies over the campfire. And the range comes with a host of accessories, including some leather gloves, a pot lifter, and some canvas bags for storage, and a whole heap more. To check out the whole range, go to wildtrak.com.au.